Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. We've got the Subaru key fob. If your Subaru looks like this happens to be for a 2018 Crosstrek. You got to kind of push this button in and slide it over, and then your backup emergency key will come out, just like that. And then if you get in here with your little screwdriver at that point right there, you can see it and just gently turn it. You'll see it starts to come apart. Well, then I pushed it back together. It gently comes, hold on, I'm trying to show you guys at the same time I'm doing it. There we go. So then this will start to come apart and you can kind of just pop it like this. Okay, we're gonna go to the back side because that's where the battery is. Now on the Subaru one, it's interesting because this whole thing will pop out and it's easy to grab, but if you grab it, be really careful not to touch any of that, because if you hit any of those little circuit pieces there, you're going to be in trouble. So then I just get the super tiny screwdriver and gently slide it in. You got these two little tabs right here and two bigger tabs right there. So if you just kind of go and pop it out past the tabs like that, you'll do that. And then here's your new battery. Is the, oops, we got some Junkola on it there. It's a 2032, CR 2032. I bought a whole pack, whole thing of these. There's like they're little tear-off blister packs. And the plus sign goes up. You'll see the plus sign right there. Plus sign goes up. And you're going to push it in. And as you're pushing it in, you go towards the back or the bottom of the unit. So you can snap past those two tabs. And then the two tabs go in. And then you just set that right back in there like that. And then you kind of go from the bottom of the fob and squeeze your way up. And there you go. And when you're done, you push it and you should see a little light right up there. Let's see if we go unlock. Little red light. There it is. Doesn't get any easier than that, guys. I said tabs like that. Dang. To get it past those tabs.